Hello viewers. Welcome back to Worldgist Mega TV on education. If today is your first time of visiting this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and the bell icon for notification. So as soon as we post our new videos, you would always be the first to see it. Thank you so much for doing so. Today I'm going to show you how to download music for free, right in the YouTube library. You know, copyright problem is a very big one, especially during monetization. Is quick challenging. Sometime get too many. Copyright problem. I have got so into copyright problem so many time, till I discovered this trick. Don't want you guys to get into same problem like I do before. So advise you to watch this video carefully and thank me later. Let's get into business. The main reason for this video. Please watch it carefully, as I guide you through all the whole steps. Quickly log into your YouTube channel. Click your channel's logo. Search for YouTube Studio. Click on your YouTube Studio. A new page appears. At your left, search your audio library. Click on the YouTube audio library. A bunch of audio would appear. There you would see many audio to select from. You can try all the audio and check for the best for you. A download option is also available. You can download any music and use all for your projects without copyright problem.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Viewers, I hope this video would help you. Just try it and thanks me later. But don't forget to subscribe. Share for others to benefit and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. Stay blessed.